we have Chesil Model Club. Now, Chesil Model Club, they are based in Bridport in Dorset. All ages, obviously if you're under 18, you've got to be with your parents. But what they do, I was just chatting to a guy here, and what Chesil Model Club do is if you've got, you can join them with no experience. They will take you from not being able to fly, and they will teach you how to fly a radio controlled model aircraft. What are the fees?
Well, I think it's about £89, but you can have two free flights before you decide that you'd like to fly.
Okay, so this guy doesn't want to appear on camera, and I'm fine with that. What he's saying is the annual subscription is £89, yeah? But before you pay that, you can have 2 free flights. And if you like it, you're in. And if it doesn't like you and you don't like it, you don't have to pay any money. And you've had a sample. But if you get the bug, okay, for £89 a year, which is not a lot a week, you're in, all right. And these people will teach you to fly. So it's Chesil Model Flying Club. They're at Bridport in Dorset, and they've got a fantastic selection of model aircraft here. They've even got a German Luftwaffe, a Rado, quite something. And like I said, if you knew, I don't have much to do with. I'm more model boats, plastic kits, and model aircraft. But what I get from the model aircraft world is do not buy something and then go and fly it, because you could kill somebody. All right. And this flying club are absolutely responsible, and they will teach you to fly, and you will be attended whilst you're flying, which is a very, very good move. All right, so I'm going to say it again. Here's their website. It's Chesil Model, www.chesilmodelflyingclub.co.uk, and they do, like I say, they do. You go in as a recruit, and then they train you, which can't be bad.